Inforiver also has advanced top and bottom end capabilities that go beyond what's available natively for visuals using the Filters pane. To access these features, we'll come up to the top End button on the Home tab, and let's start by applying a top 5 based off of the value by category. And notice that there is Show Rest as Others, which can also be edited if you'd like a different label. We'll select Apply. Notice that we now have a top 5 category being filtered in the matrix table with an Others category here below. Also observe the fact that below this we actually have multiple subcategories still displaying beneath these. And what's happening is that all 3 additional categories are being rolled up into an Others category with a marker to indicate how many other categories have been grouped here. And then these are the sum amount of all of the subcategory totals for each of these individual subcategories below it. Please note that this feature is only available when you have a hierarchical structure on your rows, so that means you need to have at least 2 or more columns displayed on rows when building out the matrix. In addition to being able to apply a top level, top or bottom n, you can also add nested top or bottom ends as well. We can observe that by coming to Add New Rule, and let's go ahead and apply a bottom 2 based on subcategory. Keep the Show Rest as Others on and click Apply. We can now see as some examples here, selecting this row, these are the 2 bottom categories for cell phones, and then everything else above it is once again being grouped into an Others row. And since this is the lowest level in the hierarchy, notice that there is no expansion from a parent to child node below this, so everything will just be grouped at this lowest level into that Others category. And this is a very useful feature to be able to have, as we can again see in the menu, 2 different levels of a top end being applied, because using the native filters pane, each visual is only allowed to have 1 top or bottom end filter applied to it at a given time.